So it's New Year's Eve again. We scrubbed some of the floors down. Some paint got stuck on there. We were supposed to meet this lady, and she sent me a text on Facebook about is the area black. I think she's a Hispanic lady. I didn't want to answer that, but it turned out she blocked me already. She says, "Oh, that ain't a safe neighborhood for her and her daughter." So I don't know where she's staying right now. So we took the tape down here. Got a couple of spots to touch up. The paint took it off over there. That's about it. Got that to the side. This is pretty clean. So we're pretty much done for the most part for the minute because it's all wet. So we came out here, wasted an hour for nothing, but we needed to clean up some stuff. So I guess we're good to go. How do you answer a question like that? I don't even know how I could answer a question like that. What area in the south suburbs isn't mixed? So we're shutting a bunch of lights off now. There's no way to really answer that question.